Access to clean drinking water has historically been managed through centralized systems. In many households, this means relying on municipal supply networks or commercially bottled alternatives. Over time, concerns about cost, infrastructure aging, and water treatment methods have led some individuals to explore independent approaches to water preparation inside the home. Within this context, a range of filtration systems, delivery services, and purification devices have emerged. These solutions vary in complexity, cost, and level of user involvement. Alka Water DIY positions itself within this broader landscape as a documentation-based approach rather than a manufactured appliance. Alka Water DIY is a digital instructional product. It does not include physical components. Instead, it provides written and visual documentation intended to guide the user through the construction of a small-scale water ionization device. The product consists of downloadable files that include step-by-step assembly instructions, illustrated blueprints, a materials list, and a list of required tools. The documentation outlines how commonly available components can be arranged into a functioning system designed to process household tap water. The guide is presented as a standalone reference, designed to be followed without prior technical background. Use of Alka Water DIY begins with accessing the digital files on a personal device. The user reviews the materials list, sources the components independently, and follows the sequential assembly instructions. The guide describes a construction process that involves arranging containers, fittings, and basic hardware elements into a static configuration. Once assembled, the system is connected to an existing water source. Operation of the system, as described in the documentation, does not require active monitoring. After setup, the device functions continuously based on its physical configuration. No software, calibration interface, or recurring procedures are outlined beyond the initial build. The overall process emphasizes manual assembly guided entirely by written and visual instructions. This product aligns with individuals interested in hands-on construction and self-guided projects. It assumes a willingness to source parts, follow diagrams, and assemble a device without in-person assistance. It may appeal to users who prefer documentation-driven solutions over pre-assembled consumer products. The guide is structured to accommodate users without specialized training, relying on simplified explanations and minimal tooling. Because the product is informational, responsibility for construction, compliance, and use remains with the individual user. Compared to commercial water filtration or ionization systems, Alka Water DIY does not function as a finished appliance. Instead, it occupies a space similar to instructional manuals or experimental build guides. Unlike subscription-based water services or proprietary devices, it does not involve recurring fees or replacement components described within the documentation. Its primary distinction lies in transferring the construction process to the user rather than delivering a manufactured solution. Within the broader category of water-related DIY documentation, Alka Water DIY positions itself as a simplified, single project guide rather than a general reference library, for viewers interested in reviewing the instructional documentation directly. A reference link is available in the video description.